How to buy Apple shares in Ghana. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply go to Play Store. Okay, so locate the Play Store icon and then tap on it from your phone, and then simply come here to where you have the search icon and come and tap on it. Okay, and then simply come here and then come and search for this app. It is called Bamboo. Okay, so Bamboo Investment App. Come and then search for it and then tap it. Okay, so it is going to come and then come and select the official Bamboo app by tapping on it. So this is the official Bamboo app that you can use to buy Apple stock. Okay, come and install it. Me, I've already installed it, so I'm simply going to click on the open, and then the app is going to open just like this one. Okay, so when it opens, all that you have to do is simply create an account. Okay, so when you see here, let me type on my account for you to see I've created an account. That creating the account, what you have to do is come and do the KYC status. Okay, by tapping on it, let me show you. And then over here, you have to go through the verification. Okay, so it is step-by-step verification. So the first one is identity verification, whereby you're going to use your Ghana card to verify. We also have your residential address. Okay, you fill that information as well. You put in your mobile money details. Then come and set an investment profile. Okay, and then you set your affiliation, and then come and make a deposit. So you go through these steps, and then you'll be able to buy the Apple stocks. But I'm simply going to select not now and then show you how to buy the stock. Okay, so when you are done, you will see your Bamboo wallet. It's in USDT, and then we also have the Ghana cedi as well. Okay, so here is the Ghana cedi wallet as well. So the USD and then the Ghana cedi wallet. So to buy, what you have to do is simply come down here to where you have the invest, and then come and tap on the invest. Okay, so from here you are simply going to see the future stocks. Under it we have the Apple, and then in front of it you are going to see the current price. Okay, so let's tap on the Apple. So when you tap on it, you are going to see the statistics here, and as you can see, market is open. Okay, so markets are open from Monday to Friday. Okay, so always make sure that you buy it within those days. Okay, and then simply come here to where we have the financials, and then come and tap on it. And over here you are going to see the statistics. Okay, so we have the opened, and then that is the volume, and then we have the highs and then the lows, and then we also have the weights as well. Okay, so this is what you can buy. Okay, so if you want to buy, what I try to do is simply come down here to the buy, and then come and then tap on the buy. So let me tap on it for you to see. So before you're able to start trading, you have to activate your account by completing your investment profile and then making at least $10 deposit. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the proceed, and then you can simply go ahead and then buy. And then after that, you're going to see your investment wallet here, just like this one. Okay, so it is as easy as that. Like the video and then see you in my next video.